Well, new in tonight's Wellness Report, a frightening tick-borne virus that can't be treated and can turn deadly.
It is rare, but a Minnesota woman who contracted it died from it last month. NBC Boston health reporter Krissty joins us now with more on what you need to know about this virus and this year's big jump in Lyme disease cases right here in Massachusetts.
It's called the Bourbon virus because the first case was reported in Bourbon County, Kansas in 2014. There's no routine testing for the virus, but it's thought to be transmitted by ticks.
The CDC is looking into more extensive testing and treatment, but at this time there is no treatment.
Dr. Orio of AFC Urgent Care in Bedford says unlike Lyme disease, this virus is rare, and while those who get it can recover, for some it is severe.
There's no cure for this virus, and it can cause permanent neurologic damage or death.
The CDC says as of June 27, there have been a limited number of cases in the Midwest and the southern states. Symptoms include fever, rash, headache, and body aches, which are also symptoms for Lyme disease.
So do viruses that start from other states have a way of just spreading to other parts of the country?
Well, they do.
But Dr. Orio says there is no way to know if the Bourbon virus will ever spread east. But we do know the number of Lyme disease cases in Massachusetts is up compared to last summer. The latest state statistics show 800 cases last May compared to 1,372 this May, and 2,068 cases last June compared to 2,250 this year. And nationally,
it actually is worse than it was several years ago. So we're seeing about 300,000 new cases a year according to the CDC. That's 3 times as many cases as we saw a decade ago.
She urges people to be vigilant as we are in the peak of deer tick season.
It's very important when you're outside that you wear full coverage clothing, tuck your pants into your socks, wear light colored clothing so that you can actually see when there's ticks on you.
The CDC recommends you use tick repellent that contains 20% or more DEET and use products that contain permethrin on clothing. Krissty, NBC Boston.